Bone tissue is one of the hardest connective tissues in the human body. It consists of specialized fibrous material that becomes hardened by mineral salt deposits, primarily calcium phosphate derived from blood plasma. This combination gives bone both toughness and rigidity. In addition to the bone tissue itself, other important connective tissue components include the periosteum covering the outer surface, red and yellow bone marrow for blood cell production and fat storage, and the endosteum lining the inner bone cavities. Together, these form the complete skeletal system. There are two main types of bone tissue: compact bone and cancellous bone. Compact bone consists of numerous structural units called Haversian systems. Each Haversian system features a central canal running longitudinally that contains blood vessels, lymph capillaries, and nerves essential for bone nourishment and communication. Surrounding the central canal are concentric plates of bone called lamellae. Between these lamellae are small spaces called lacunae that contain bone cells called osteocytes. Fine channels called canaliculi connect the lacunae to the central canal, allowing lymph-carrying nourishment to flow through and reach all bone cells. The second type of bone tissue is cancellous bone, which has a sponge-like appearance. In cancellous bone, the Haversian canals are much larger and there are fewer lamellae compared to compact bone. Red bone marrow is always present within cancellous bone tissue, making it crucial for blood cell production. In summary, compact bone provides strength and rigidity with its dense Haversian systems, while cancellous bone offers a lightweight, sponge-like structure that houses blood-forming red marrow. Together, these two types of bone tissue create the remarkable combination of strength and functionality that characterizes the human skeletal system.